This is Calculus 1. This is Mrs. Johnson. Given this problem here, it says evaluate the limit algebraically using the given expression rather than using a graph or table. We remember that we can take the conjugate of a radical. And remember, the conjugate of a radical in this numerator here would be the radical minus 7. Its conjugate would be the radical plus 7. And remember, we can multiply any fraction by 1 by multiplying something over itself is equal to 1. Now, if we take this expression and FOIL the numerator, but leave the denominator alone, we get this expression because we know a radical times a radical will give me the expression underneath the radical without the radical because it's that squared. This will give me a positive 7 times the radical. This will give me a negative 7 times the radical, which will cancel each other out. And then a negative 7 times a positive 7 is a negative 49. Simplifying this expression, the 49s get subtracted from each other. The x's can now cancel. There's an x in the numerator that can cancel with an x in the denominator. And now we can take a limit by substitution. We can now substitute 0 into this expression for x. Now we can then evaluate this expression, and we get 3 over 14. There is our limit.